Hey, what's up? It's Danielle here, and just wanted to go over this week's watch list. So hopefully it won't take too long. I'll try to keep it short and sweet. So we'll just go ahead and jump right into it. Right now I have on the screen is AJ. And as you can see, there's not really a lot going on with this pair. It's just kind of playing within this range, moving sideways. So we'll just have to wait and see which way she wants to go, but I do expect price to at least come up to retest the previous highs, maybe these levels here, and then we'll just have to wait and see what price action tells us, because we can either get a breakout or we could get a bounce back down to this support level here. So this would be, I don't know, if we were to buy it, then it would probably be like a short-term buy, maybe a scalp or something. All right, and then next, AU, kind of similar to AJ, not a lot going on, just moving sideways. We did get a double bottom right here, kind of at this trend line, and short-term trend line there. We did get a break, but seller stepped in and drove the price back down, but it looks like buyers may step back in to push price up. And I'm expecting, I would like to see, a retest of this large quarter point, 0.725, or it may, retest this high here, around up in this level. We can put another, just create a little zone there. So that would be another potential scalp for a buy. Let's see, CJ. I'm not liking this one. Again, a lot of pairs are just kind of ranging and moving sideways. Boring stuff. So not really a lot to do here. The DXY. I do not trade the DXY, but the dollar index. But I do pay attention to it to, to get an idea of what the other USD pairs will be doing. So we did get the pullback here to the, I think this is the 71 fib, or the 61.8, the golden pocket, whatever you want to call it. And so it looks like the dollar is going to do another pullback. I don't know. I think it might go up to test this level up here, but then there's a possibility that, it could continue to drop. So we'll have to wait and see. EA, again, not a lot going on here. Moving sideways, choppy, choppy, choppy. So we'll wait and sit on the sideline on that one. EJ, I think my overall bias on this is still bullish. So we'll see if we get a break above this trend line, a break and retest, and then we may look to buy. Or the other scenario would be for price to come up here, and then it could also be rejected at this trend line. So need to let that develop some more. EN, I don't know about this one. AN, kind of a bearish flag here, if we want to do it like that. Or you can do it from this point down. So may be looking to sell that later, but looks like it may go up to retest that quarter point there. Maybe get something like that. Still too early. Again, we'll need to let that develop some more. All right, let's see. EU, I was hoping that it would drop down to give us this third touch here of this trend line, but looks like she want to just take off and push up. And I do think it would buy up to the channel, the top of the channel, to give you that third touch. That's 1, 2. This would be 3. And then you also have, you know, this major quarter point here, which is a good confluence. So we'll see that. GA, we're already in this trade. Let's see. Yep, we're like about 37, 38 pips in profit. So we'll keep holding this for TP2 and TP3. GCAT, I wanted to buy this. I wanted to give this out earlier too. As you can see, it already pushed up, but we're already in, I think, 3-pound pairs. So I didn't want to go too heavy on the pound, but I like those pairs. But anyway, yeah, we may get a retest of the highs here or this quarter point. GJ, we are already in this trade. So this is playing out nice. GJ is being nice right now, behaving. Okay, yeah, we're about 40 pips in profit, floating 40 pips. Yeah, I do expect it to come up and give us that third touch right here. And then from there, we'll just wait and see what type of price action we get around this area. Because we can get the break up, or we can get the bounce. Overall, I think GJ is still bullish. GU, we're also in this trade, and we should be about, let's see, about 30 pips in profit, I think. But as you can see here, we had a little bullish divergence, I think. This is not showing up. It's weird. Okay, so the TDI isn't showing up, but bullish diversion right there. Price did come down to retest this zone, and that's why we entered the buy there. And I'm not sure why I have this on the list. There's not really much going on. But the buy would make sense if we're looking to sell Euro NZD. But this is just, I don't know. I don't like the way that looks. So we're going to hold off on that one. I have this marked up. It already took off. A nice clear break out of the descending channel, or if you want to call it a bullish flag, that would be a huge bullish flag. And also S&P, same thing. I already hit the break. This would have been the entry right here, 3401.1. Buy stop. Already took off without us. USD Swissy. Initial bias is bullish, I think, for this. Yeah, I think it's bullish. We had a nice impulse right here, and then kind of followed by the correction. Got the pullback, and then it's just kind of ranging in here. So looking for that next impulse to the upside. The second scenario would be to test this trend line and get a bounce back down to this support, which you also have the major quarter point 0.9. So that needs to develop a little bit more. I've been watching UJ for past couple of weeks. Again, it's just kind of stuck in the range here. But I am expecting price to go back up to around 107. And then from there, I don't know, we could get a break higher. It just depends. I'm not going to trade a lot of these USD pairs. But I'm trying to give them a chance. But I probably won't trade a lot of them. GU is like my favorite. I used to like UJ, but I don't know. UJ just played too much. Gets on my nerves sometimes. So we'll see. We'll see what happens. But that's pretty much that's pretty much what I'm looking at for now. I'll probably send out a scalp for AJ or AU. Let me get rid of some of this stuff. But yeah, that's it. So that's what I got on my radar for this week. If you have any questions, send me a message. Yeah, AJ, we look like we have a inverted head and shoulder right here too. So I think I'm going to scalp it for a buy. All right, so that's it. If you have any pairs you want analyzed, message me, let me know. If you have any questions, shoot me a message and I will get back to you as soon as I can. All right. Hope everyone has a happy trading week. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.